Good, good morning everyone. Hello. So, ay tapos ko po yung batch of ay gaya po sabihin ko po na sabi ko na batch Y introduce myself alphabets at some knowledge. Sa batch 2 his the words by words. Dos alamas. Household items, dos transportation. So, tapos ko na po yung isalasos ko. Now, I posit sa pass of the party. Pass of the party, how to salasis yung pass of the party. Pass of the party. Party. Ulit party. Pass of the party. So, now, how to salasis ice. Is. Pwede. Is. Tila. Die. Oh. Die. Tila. Nose. Mouth. Teeth. Oh. Teeth. Buok. Heart. Hands. Feet. Eyeball. Ito, eyeball. Eyeball. Shoulder. Like. Ito. Stomach. Ito, stomach. Stomach. Kidney. K-I-D-N-E-Y. Kidney. Able. Oh. Able. Ito po. Utak. Pen. Ito. Ben. Ito. Utak. Ben. Len. Ito. Len. Shin. Balat. Shin. Nen. Ito. Nen. Kuko. Nen. Kuko. So, now I am done isalasin yung pass of the party. Salamat po sa ongos niyo. Salamat po sa pinunod itong video. Salamat po everyone for watching this video. God bless you at makikita tayo sa susunod kong gawa video. Pero do not forget to subscribe, like at comment this video. So, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.